how to create AI wallpapers on Google Pixel phone. First, tap and hold on the screen, and then click Wallpaper and Style, and then scroll down and then click More Wallpapers, and then click on AI Wallpapers. Over here you can choose from different options. So let's say I want to take the painting, and then you can choose to customize it. The words that have lines under them can be customized. So here you can click here, then you can choose like a beach or a cliff, and then you can choose here this word and then say flying cars, for example. And then also this, you can change it to the 19th century, and then click create wallpaper. Now this will generate the wallpaper as per this description. Just give it a moment. So here it shows like the cliff and the flying car and sort of like the post 19th century. So it looks pretty decent, but you can see more options. It generates multiple of these pictures, so you can see here there's multiple options that you can pick from, and then here, and then here. As you can see, like there's 4 options that you can pick from. I'm gonna pick the first one here, and then I'm gonna click select, and then if you want to set it to your wallpaper, just click set wallpaper, and then here you can choose if you want to set it on both the lock screen and the home screen or just one of them. So I'm gonna set it on both and then click set. And once you're done, just exit, and that's pretty much it. That's how to create an AI wallpaper on Google Pixel phone. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.